Hi, Snowbell. How are you? How are you? Really? Oh, I'm so sorry.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I love to sing 2 songs to you because you are so dear.
Come on, Fiji. Come on. Hi. Hi, baby. Hello. Be careful.
Run.
Hey Watson, do you understand when I'm talking to you? You do? Okay, so I gave you a chewy. I gave Kiko a chewy. You ate Kiko's chewy. So what do we say when we steal someone else's chewy? What do we say? Do you know? Yes, we say we're sorry. We say we're sorry. You're a good boy, Watson. You're a good boy, Kiko.